Hello to all our YouTube followers. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage, and today we got something that I'm waiting for a long time to put my hands on. Those cars sold out each time they came out. This is the Can Block Hoonicorn. It's a weird name, Hoonicorn. It's not a unicorn, it's a Hoonicorn. This is the drift car from HPI. It's a 1965 Ford Mustang that Can Block design. It's a RS4 Sport 3 that they put on it, the body and the wheels, and it's supposedly amazing car. Let's open the box and see what there is inside. I'm kind of excited. Let's see. I need a knife to cut this. I was not prepared for that. There is my knife. Okay, let's see what there is inside. Okay, so it's packed pretty nice. Can you even see? Yeah, you cannot see anything. Now you can see. It's packed pretty nice. Let's pull everything out and see what in the box. It's a lot of space. So they're giving you a battery and a charger. Those are gonna be like nickel metal hydride battery. Let's see. Yeah, it's a regular nickel metal hydride. It's still good. It's only like 2000 milliamp. It's still gonna do the job for drift car. They're giving you even battery for your receiver. Let's open this remote to show you guys what a nice remote comes with it. Everything packed really good when you get stuff from HPI, and it's very good, so if you ship it, it's never going to arrive broken. Okay, this is the remote that you're going to get, and there is a small toolkit that it's all the tools that you're going to need to work with your car. There is some suspension and actually extra C-hubs for probably more angle for your drifting. And then let's pull the car out. I think that the car, yeah, it's attached to the box. I'm gonna have to cut it out. Yeah, the zip tied to the box pretty good. One and two. And you're gonna get inside also a user manual. Let's move the box away. What a mess. This is gonna be the messiest review I ever did. Okay, and when you try to open it, it's gonna be a little difficult because they close the pins on top of the scratch proof nylon, so you're gonna have to open those before you can remove the nylon. If you try to do that without, you're probably gonna scratch the car and even damage it, so you have to remove it first. And then, wow, there's a lot of packaging. They did not save on the packaging with this. The car itself is also packed with nylon. Okay, see, the car itself, it's pretty nice, and then there is another, that's it. So if it's already open, let's look what they did here. Before we put the body, yeah, you guys gonna hold on for a second. Let me show you. Let's move all the stuff that we don't really need right now. This is your remote, and this is the car. The tires here are very wide. Even though it's a drift car, those are rubber tires. They are not drift tire. But obviously they're gonna drift. Let's remove those zip ties. Come with a 15 turn fireball motors, brushed electric ESC. It's completely waterproofed, and this is a shaft driven vehicle. This is not a belt. Metal drive shaft, metal dog bones on it. They're done fairly nice. Good bumper on the front over here, and those tires look really nice, and those wheels look just amazing. Now after you see this, and I teased you a little bit, let's put the body on it and see how it's look with this beautiful body. I think this is one of the nicer bodies that they made along the years. They have a lot of good details on it. Too bad it's a lot of stickers instead of actually painted on the body itself. But this is how this thing looks. I think for the money, they are around about $300 and you get everything you need. I think it's definitely worth the money. They did like those wheels on those. They got a special permits to do those. It's not like a regular RC cars that they make whatever shape wheel they want. They try to make it as original to the real vehicle that Ken Block is using. So they got the license from HPI to make those wheels. The entire structure of this 1965 Mustang is really, really nice. They set up here the headers on the engine. Everything is just beautiful. On the front, they did all the detailings on the grill, make it look like carbon fiber over here. Very big scoop, air scoop on the back. Even on the back, the rear fender over here. They did this nice kind of wings, let's call it the wings that they put on the back. Is really nice, and it's actually bolted in. There is two bolted holding it together. Let me open this thing again real quick. I wanted to see something and go over. This ESC that they put here, this is an ESC that it's LiPo ready, so you can use your LiPo battery on it. You just need to move the small jumper here to tell it that you're using a LiPo. Other than that, it's ready to run coilover adjustable shocks, so you can actually adjust how stiff you want this vehicle to be. I think that as a beginner vehicle, it's going to be a great vehicle, and if you have especially a brushless motor just thrown aside in your house and just put it here, this thing gonna fly. I believe that this with a 3S motor probably will do about 50 to 60 miles an hour easily, and it's gonna be cool. And then you can also drift. It's already come set up a little bit with toe out on the rear, and it's set up in a angle for drifting. But again, those are the rubber tires that are gonna be pretty sticky to the ground. But it's going to be something you need to try to see what you like this vehicle to do. Let me put the body on it and put the body clip so I can actually lift it and turn it with the body. And the cool thing, they give also the black body clips, not a silver one, so it's actually going to disappear into the body. I should get one of those bodies and airbrush them to make it look more realistic, that you can actually see through the glass. I don't really like when they put those stickers on the windows. I think it's make it a little bit cheap. I need to be more clear so it look more realistic inside. I don't see the problem to do that, but obviously it's costing them more money. Let's see, let's close this. Okay, now it's easier to turn and tilt. So this is overall the Ken Block Hoonicorn. 1965 Ford Mustang, and it's now available at the RC Monster Garage MotoStyles shop in Granada Hills, 17540 Chatsworth Street. It was just a quick review of this vehicle. I know it's gone out a while back, but each time we try to order them, they always sold out. They were never available to actually even get one. You have to wait on the waiting list for them. I don't know why, but we finally got them in stock. And the next review we're going to do is another car that they have coming. It's going to be coming next month. We're right now on March. It should be the end of April. They made a new model of the GT40, but it's not the new Ford GT. They did kind of 2005 GT40 when they relaunched this vehicle. So I don't know, I'm a big GT40 fan, and I have a real GT40, and we compare the two cars with the real vehicle. So follow us. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and tell all your friends about my channel. We're gonna start giving soon a lot of more cool stuff. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage MotoStyles. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and follow us, and press the little bell icon. It's right there.